everyone, I'm Sue and welcome back for another episode of Does This Notion Really Work? And in today's episode, we're going to be talking about the Hexi Pressing Mat. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe below and don't forget to click the little ding button. That way you get a notification every time I post a video. The Hexi-shaped pressing mat was invented by Missie Carpenter of Traditional Primitives. Missie is a pattern and notion designer. She's a mom and a wife, and she admits that she likes to keep her hands busy. So you will always find her with either a hand applique project or some needle punching project. Missie invented a technique called starch basting, and she needed a portable, lightweight pressing mat in order to create this. And that's why she invented the Hexi-shaped pressing mat. Traditional Primitives, which is owned by Missie Carpenter, is actually and really and truly a family business. Her husband and her daughters are entirely involved in the process of designing, developing, and manufacturing all of their notions. I encourage you to go check out her website and see all kinds of fun things that she has to provide. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Hexi-shaped pressing mat. So first thing you're going to notice is that it is shaped just like a hexagon. And it has a smooth pressing surface. You'll also notice the bright color fabric along the edges. Every one of them is different and unique. The Hexi pressing mat measures 11.5 inches wide on all the angles. Now, I personally found the Hexi-shaped pressing mat was a really nice size, nice and convenient, and it allows you to use those smaller pressing tools, such as your Clover mini iron or any of those little traveling irons. It works really great. And consider this your warning, do not touch the outer corners with your iron. It is not heat resistant. I also think it's worth mentioning that on the back side, it is not designed to be used as a cutting board. On the other hand, it's really great for tracing. It's a nice flat surface with a dark background, so light colors show up really great. So take advantage of this flat surface for tracing. And because of its portable shape and size, it's perfect for traveling on the go. So just zip up all your other sewing notions, grab your mat, and go. So what did you think of that? Definitely unique, I would say for sure. And again, I like that they're made individually and custom, and there's lots of different colors to choose from. I like the variety. I mean, what are the chances that you will be in a class with somebody else who has the same coloring? I think that's kind of cool. And who is the Hexi-shaped pressing mat for? Well, it's really for anybody that needs a small, portable pressing surface. So if you are taking sewing classes or quilting classes, or like Missie loves English paper piecing, this might be a great solution for you. And what's kind of cool is it's got that shape of the hexis, so if you like hexis, I mean, this is kind of a no-brainer. And how much does the Hexi-shaped pressing mat retail for? It retails for $19.50. You can check your local quilt shop for them, ask them to order them for you. You can also go right directly to the designer's website, and all the information will be in the links below. And if you liked this video and learned something new, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up. That way I know you're liking what I'm working on. And if you like behind the scenes kind of things, go ahead and follow me on social media. You will find me at Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook daily. And you can follow me everywhere at Sue O'Very Designs. And until I see you next time, I hope you have a creative day. Bye-bye. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe below. And don't forget, you can also follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Have a creative day. Bye-bye.